Okay, January 25, year 2009. It's already 9 p.m. night. Okay. Okay, I want to show you how to view two videos simultaneously. Of course, a while ago, this morning, we able to take a video shoot. I put one of my friends' video camera on my shuttle helicopter, and the other one is my video camera. Okay, so you can use a YouTube. You can open up a two YouTube view. Here I'm still uploading my video. It's still uploading, but my friend has already uploaded his video. There, on my right side, this is my friend's video. This is a first-person view, and on this left side is my video. Okay, so you can play around with the synchronization. So that's why I make a synchronization hand sign. So I'll make sure the two camera showing the same video. There's my hand. I'm about to show the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can play around with the start, the play and pause button, and make sure it's both video are synchronized. Once it's synchronized, then you can start watching. Okay, so I play with it. I set it to this point 8 seconds, and the other one is 16 seconds. Let me show you there. Okay, I'm going to play this button. This is a YouTube video, and this is my my home Windows Media Player. Okay, so play and play. There, synchronize. Okay, this is a it's a first-person view. It's mounted on the helicopter. This one is the outside view, the second person point of view. Okay, let's see. It's easier doing this. I don't have a video editing. Hindi, it's recording. Pero check natin. I-play mo, i-play mo. Oh, sayang yung... Okay, it's finished! Okay guys, when you watch my movie video, make sure you watch it in high quality. I upload my last video in special high quality. You know, it's very difficult to upload. Before, maybe a year ago, I can upload a 10 minutes video in less than 30 minutes. But now it took me 3 hours. 3 hours to upload a 10 minutes video. So I'm still uploading. Let me show you. My computer's running at multitasking. I'm playing a YouTube video. I'm playing my video. And at the background, I'm still uploading lots of video. Let me show you. There, I was able to upload the bird dog bone. They're still uploading. This one's still uploading. Okay. So I'm now uploading the old timer and the shuttle at UP. Then later it's on cue, the shuttle on board, the video camera one. This one, unfortunately, the onboard camera there's something wrong with the onboard camera, so we aren't able to take a video. This is the last video there. This and the last video I'm uploading is the high quality mode. Just imagine. This one, the 10 minutes video, I start uploading on 6 p.m. and it's finished on 9 p.m. Took 3 hours. There, it's already 9:15. It took us 3 hours to upload the video, 10 minutes video. So I guess this one I just will left it overnight, and maybe tomorrow, hoping tomorrow it's ready for uploading. There. Nice video, huh? I'm just using a Pentium 4. It's an old camera. I guess it's not even it's only a Pentium 4. It's an old computer. I'm using a Pentium 4, I guess 1.6. I don't need a very fast computer as long as I can internet. Okay. Okay, let me show you my messy room. There. There's my messy room. I'm using a 27-inch LCD. There. Wow, a really messy room. Okay. So I will upload this video. Bye.